right, welcome everybody. We're doing this big one. Two neighbors, huge hedges. See Brian's up there taking care of that. We'll bring you guys along with us, show you guys a bit what we got going on here today. See how that's coming along really nice. Look how nice that looks up there. Brian's quicker than the other guy in the boom van. See, this is where we have problems, stuff like this. So I'm gonna bring a ladder and try to walk along there and try to trim that up there. And then we have the other neighbor on the other side that's even higher, and we can't get the boom van in over there. So we'll bring you guys along with us. It's a beautiful sunny day today. You guys enjoy this. Quite a job, quite a job. Got the big ladder out. I don't think we can go down in here. I think it gets a little too soft down here. So you see guys over there, Brian's here. We're just finishing up here. We're just gonna get that corner there. There's a couple little things sticking out there. The only reason we can do this one is because we can get down in here with the boom vans. If not, we would not be able to do this. Especially up on the other side of that garage there. Getting up over that, they have like a garden place there. And that's all it's all just plastic on top. You can't really step on it. It's kind of hard to get up in there. The other side's all done. Everything looks really good. Beautiful day out. We got a couple holidays coming up pretty soon. It's gonna be nice to get that done. Have a couple days off. Spend some time with the wife. All right, so Brian's gonna get in here, fix that little corner right there. Everyone is cutting. We're doing this beautiful job here on the outskirts of town. You You got a top guy there, you got Brian there, another guy here on the boom. Everything is going really well. Beautiful job. We'll bring you guys along with us today. Show you guys what we got going on. Hope you guys enjoy this. If there's anything you guys want to see, just write to us. I'll be making a video pretty soon about the way we sharpen our blades. Show you guys how we do that, since we do everything in-house. All right. Pourquoi? Il est assez mouillé cette année. Là. Alright, that's looking good there. I showed you guys from the other side, from the top. That's what it looks like inside. Look how high that is. Those are really high hedges. Got some big stuff here. Alright, let's head over next one. Alright, we're just finishing this one up here. A little bit on the corner left up at the top there, that's about it. Rest looking good. Hard job to do. For 400 bucks there. Pretty hard one to do. I think we might have to put the price up. We just used the van to get the top of this, another ditch here. We just did the house down on the corner. The video before was just down on the corner down there. Brian just got this one. Alright, we're just getting to the next one. Hasn't been done, I think, in 7 years. We'll try to fix her up a bit here. Imagine we're going to be taking a lot off the side here. Look at that. Gonna have a good pile of hedge here. Coming along really good here. lot of hedge on the ground. Look at how that came out. Looks really good. Even the hedges look a lot better. I don't think it's been done in over 5 years. We're in July. I think it's time for get his pool ready. So that came out pretty good out back there. And we cleaned all here.